Welcome to this Shopify tutorial on how to bulk edit prices. In this guide we will walk you through the process of editing prices in bulk, which can save you a significant amount of time and effort. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. From here, click on the Select All checkbox at the top left corner of the products list to select all products. If you want to edit prices for specific products, you can select them individually by checking the box next to each product. Next, click on the Bulk Actions drop-down menu and select Edit Products. This will take you to the Bulk Editor page where you can edit various product details including prices. In the Bulk Editor, scroll down to the Pricing section and enter the new price or the price adjustment you want to make. You can choose to increase or decrease the price by a fixed amount or by a percentage. For example, if you want to increase all prices by 10%, enter 10 in the percentage field and select Increase. Once you have made the necessary changes, click on the Save button to apply the new prices to all selected products. It is essential to review your changes before saving to avoid any errors. It is also important to note that you can use Shopify's bulk editor to edit other product details, such as descriptions, tags, and inventory levels. By following these steps, you can efficiently bulk edit prices and other product details in your Shopify store. To avoid making mistakes, it is recommended to back up your store data before making any bulk edits. Additionally, if you have a large number of products, it may be helpful to use a third-party app to streamline the bulk editing process. By mastering the bulk editing feature in Shopify, you can streamline your product management tasks and focus on growing your business. With these simple steps, you can easily bulk edit prices and other product details in your Shopify store, saving you time and effort in the long run.